Dear junior European Parliament ambassadors, first of all, let me thank you for the key role you play for Slovenia and for Europe, with the energy and creativity that you invest in our European Parliament Ambassador School Programme. Thanks to you and your peers from all across Europe, it has become one of the most successful projects encouraging active citizenship among the next generation of Europeans. It offers you a chance to talk about Europe, to air your views on European democracy, on our common values, on the environment, on the issues that matter to you, and on our common future. This is very important because we are living extraordinary times. In the past 2 years, we have had to adapt to a pandemic and reinvent our ways of working and studying. With Putin's illegal invasion of Ukraine, Europe has had to forcefully reaffirm its commitment to democracy and to human rights. And we have stood tall. We have shown our resilience. The European Union is standing more united and is stronger than ever. I am very pleased to be speaking to people like you who care about Europe, who dedicate their time and your energy to supporting an even better and more caring Europe. Europe needs a new generation of champions. So thank you again, you young ambassadors, and thank you, dear teachers, for your contributions to strengthening the vibrancy, dynamism, and resilience of European democracy.